Most people think you need to spend months creating your own product before you can start making money online. But here's the truth, you don't. With the ClickBank Super Funnel, you can start promoting done for you offers immediately, and the system does the selling for you. Here's how it works. Once you plug into the funnel, it automatically captures leads, builds your email list, and sends follow up emails that are already written and optimized. It even promotes high ticket offers through webinars without you ever having to host a single presentation. That means your only real job is getting traffic into the funnel. And once it's running, you've got a business that never clocks out. It works for you 24/7 even while you're sleeping. So if you've been stuck trying to figure out product creation or tech, forget all that. Let the ClickBank Super Funnel do the heavy lifting so you can focus on results. Click the link below to see how to start affiliate marketing the smart way with a funnel that's already built for you.